Hello and welcome to my channel Yemi Show. Thanks to all those who are returning and watching this content today. And if this is your first time here, a special welcome to you. Today I'm introducing you to a very common plant which we use in wrapping foods such as moi moi, ofada rice, kola nuts in some parts, and is used in wrapping foodstuffs like agidi, and in some places dawa or iru. It is commonly used packaging. This plant is known as eran in Yoruba. Is also known as a sweet prayer leaf or sweet prayer plant, or adundunton, which is and that is because it's a very sweet plant. It is known for this. The sweetness is known to be about 300 times sweeter than sugar. So it's a plant that is important in the production of sweeteners, although it is not being used right now because it is not in a large supply to be able to promote that. But it's a very sweet plant. In fact, it's so sweet that a lot of goats, sheep, rams eat this plant. That is why it is called eran. In West Africa, particularly in Nigeria and among the Yoruba people, is very common and commonly known as moimoi, because it is used to wrap moimoi, which is also known as bean cake. This plant grows mainly in the rainforests, and particularly it grows naturally under the canopy of cocoa plants. It is not normally cultivated, but right now some people are going into the cultivation because of the alternative use that it can be used to make sweeteners. I personally love this plant because, apart from the fact that it's used or can be used in wrapping our foods and preserving our foods, it's a beautiful plant that can be used as an ornamental plant. Its botanical name is Thaumatococcus Danielli, and it has other common names such as miracle fruits, miracle berry, Yoruba soft cane, African serendipity berry. It has a fleshy fruit which is very sweet to taste when eaten. The plant grows by rhizomes underground and sends forth the long stems with the flower at the end of the stems. Both the flowers or the leaves and the stems are used in preparing some of our African delicacies. This plant can be easily cultivated by breaking off the rhizomes and planting the rhizomes and giving it proper care to make sure that it grows. The leaves or the plant in general loves a shaded area. So if it's exposed to too much sun at the initial stage, it would not do well. So our moi moi plant is actually okay. So that is the root. So that's the root. I just got you can see a new node is trying to form here. So to propagate this, I could just plant this elsewhere. You can see this is a new one, forming. So I had one in the ground already. So I have replanted the rhizomes in the spot. So very soon I'll be having new miracle plants or elewe moi moi here. Please, if you like this content, please do not forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Take care and see you again in my next